home of no dealer fees and the friendly family dealership.
See the latest 2011 Toyota Camry. This is a Toyota Camry with just over 5,000 miles. With a fuel consumption of 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, you will have a hard time finding a better deal. Features and options include power windows, cruise control, power mirrors, steel wheels, air conditioning, dash-mounted CD, trunk lights, power door locks, rear defogger, power steering, engine immobilizer, air filtration, halogen headlights, cup holders, and door pockets. All you have to do is enjoy the drive. With its driver and passenger airbag, four-wheel ABS, and side airbag, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Come in to see more vehicles like this one and enjoy our first-class service. Call to speak with a friendly salesman.